From Kurnool to Hyderabad.
బండి దిగాలి ఉన్నారా అవురా
లేదు తీసుకొని వచ్చా
దిగాలి ఊర్లోకి వచ్చా ఈయనరా వాడు
రాయేసాడు
ఇంటికాడ పోయిస్తా వాడు
మరి ఇది చేసుకొని పోదాం ద్వారా
ఈడి వరకైనా లోపల వాళ్ళ
छोटा पत्थर है नीचे
थैंक यू सो मच। दूसरा जगह क्या भी है? डब्बा है इधर ये टूर गए you come here, you come here. Box में काल बैठे okay I have started my ride and now I'm going back to Hyderabad. This ride is from Kurnool to Hyderabad to a place I went in Bethamcharla, that is near Kurnool. And now the time is 9:10. Google says it is around 4 hours 35 minutes. And overall, with the stops and breakfast, lunch, and other things, it would definitely take more than that. I came to Bethamcharla for I just wanted to try drone shots. Okay, first of all I want to try some drone shots because like I'm very new to the drone and we have already lost so many drones and I'm not affordable to have another loss. That is why I don't want to take risk. Check out this location, guys. Before I talk about anything, check out this route. Really awesome. This is an awesome route. We are going from Bethamcharla to this route remind me of a place where Dhanush and Motta Rajendra will fight. It looks like that. Maybe this road does not look like that, but I will show you a place where it exactly looks like that. Okay, so coming back to this, I will show you in a while. But coming back to this journey details, I came here to try some drone shots and it was utter failure. I had a lot of issues that I was not able to. I went to a place like it is a remote village. I went to a place where I was not even able to charge my gadgets. Those are the problems which I had. The room was very small, so I was given a room in a place like in a family living room. Like a family was already living there, so I was given fortunately I was so comfortable. The room was so comfortable, like for me to sleep and other things, but for my work it is not, the place was not so comfortable. In that way actually I failed. I'm not sure, I wouldn't say that place is not good. I am not comfortable in working that is what I would say, because like they gave me a good room where I can sleep, but I am looking for a so the sweet kind of room. That is why I was not able to work. That is my problem. But this journey is completely a failure for me. I have wasted a lot of money in travel. That is what I should say. So I feel thirsty. This is a full face helmet, which is really difficult for me. I'm not even able to drink water. Maybe for each and every time for this, for drinking a water also, I'll have to stop my bike. That is a problem here. Actually, I'm going to cross a toll, okay? Second or third toll which I'm crossing in this bike, in this bike's history, maybe. What I would say is, in case if I wanted to keep something handy, this bag is really helpful. This bag is so helpful now. I would really appreciate Golden Riders for coming up with this kind of a solution. It is little difficult for me to check out the fuel gauge and other things. Little bit come forward to look at it, so that is not a problem. That is not a big deal. Like I will not be keep on monitoring this fuel gauge. I just want to check in this Himalayan sometimes immediately all of a sudden the fuel gauge goes down. I really don't know what happens to it. Really, all of a sudden the fuel gauge goes down. Sometimes like while parking in the night it is in the half tank, and in the morning if you see it is showing like only 25% is available. I'm really surprised. At that point of time that will be really difficult. But however, like once you fill up, once you ensure that the tank is full and you know the distance and you know your ride, then I don't think it is really a big problem. Oh my god, check out this view, guys. Check out this view. Really gorgeous. Early morning it is. I wouldn't say, sorry for saying this early morning, but 9:20 in the morning. Oh my god, check out this view. This is really an awesome view. See, I have this bike for a very long time, but I never had an opportunity to go for a ride. This is the time I'm enjoying my ride. Enjoying. I'm really enjoying my ride. It's an awesome place. Oh my god. Highway is completely clean. Make sure that you follow all safety rules. Then I think nothing is a problem. This is the place which I'm talking about. I hope you can recognize this. This is what I'm talking about. It looks exactly like the Dhanush movie. Motta Rajendra and Dhanush will fight, right? It is exactly looking like that only. Oh my my god, it's an awesome place. This is an awesome place. I need to get a drone shot here, but actually I have kept my drone inside, deep inside, and I don't want to take it out now. Maybe I'll try, maybe I'll not. People are already standing here. Ooh, this is the problem here. Now I feel very thirsty, but I need to take off my helmet to drink water from the water bladder. That is really I need to do something else about it. Oh my god, speed breaker on a highway. This is so much fun. That the transgender actually, they're stopping in highway. See, this is a toll road. My god, they are stopping the traffic in the highway and they wanted some money. They are taking money. And did you see, she started to me. Actually what happened was I stopped the lorry, but I didn't know like something is happening in front. I thought like somebody is doing something. We waited for some time, maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, and then the lorry was just standing idle. Started to horn. Then I realized like something is going on. It is like their area. I have to obey their rules. She asked me for money. I didn't know that this is happening. Okay, I thought like it is a highway road. I never expected this kind of activity would go on. So I kept on horning. So she became upset because of that. All of them actually started to surround me and they started to ask me money. But seriously guys, seriously, trust me, I just have around 100 or 200 rupees in my purse, which I need while I go on a ride. Since it is a 5-hour ride, I don't think I would need a big amount of cash. That's why since I don't have any paid toll to be crossed, so that is the reason actually I'm keeping only this amount of money. Okay, so that is the problem, only small amount of money. So when they asked money, actually I said I don't have money. money. I just have only 200 or 300 rupees in my pocket, which I need for long ride. But they become really upset. They started to talk something in Telugu. I didn't understand, but then a lorry driver said something and they started to give way. Lorry driver actually said something in Telugu, then they gave way. And actually I tried to press the record button in GoPro. Immediately, one more thing is, immediately as soon as they surrounded me, they checked whether my GoPro is recording or not. They checked whether my GoPro is recording or not, because they keep on looking at it. If I have my LED switched off, then I wouldn't have problem. I would have recorded everything. But I don't know whether it got recorded or not, but my LED was switched off. I am very much sure that my camera was not recording. It's okay, everything happens in a ride. There are big things I expected, because I'm carrying a hell lot of gadgets, costly things. I tend to forget lot of things. Now actually I forgot my headset, Bluetooth headset, which I was having for my half-face helmet. In case if I'm using my half-face helmet, then I will use the headset. Otherwise now I will use the Sena 5S. Okay, actually guys, I would strongly recommend you guys to have 1 or 2 spare cameras. That is hidden camera, something which you could record when you are away from your bike. There are a lot of things would happen in a highway. I would strongly recommend you guys to go ahead and have some hidden camera somewhere, so that you wouldn't face any kind of a problem like this. Okay, maybe I think a dash cam would also do good, la? We need to find out a way to install a dash cam. If a dash cam is going to be waterproof, then it will be nice. Prayer, right? Oi! Did you see that? That's a TVS 50. On top does not even have a number plate.